Right, we've got an equation here. Now you'll notice there's some fractions there, so I would put them over a common denominator. You always put them over a common denominator, and here we go. So the left hand side needs to be multiplied by 3, so we should get that, and then the right hand side needs to be multiplied. In fact, I've not left myself enough room. I will create myself some room. Okay, it needs to be multiplied by 5. Okay, because equals, where is it, 2, isn't it? Okay, that's because, alright, 5 needs to get to 15, right, so that's times 3, and 3 needs to get to 15, which is times by 5, and that's where that comes from. So, simplify, multiply out, simplify, so we've got, what, 9x plus 3 minus 5x plus 20 all over 15 equals 2. So we have, what's that, 4x plus 23 over 15 equals 2. So therefore 4x, I'm running out of room here because I have to write quite big, so I'll go over here. So you should get 4x plus 23 equals 30. 4x equals 7. So x equals 7 over 4, or 1.75, either's fine. Right, so remember common denominator first of all. Now next thing it says make p the subject. Now p appears twice in here, but that shouldn't make any difference. It just means whenever you see the subject appear a couple of times, you're probably going to have to factorise at some point. So first things first, need to multiply through by 3p plus 1, get rid of the fraction parts. Okay, multiply the brackets, 3pt plus t equals 7, equals 7 minus 2p. Get the p parts on one side, get everything else on the other. So 3pt plus 2p equals 7 minus t. I'm going to have to go over here again. Okay, so then I'm going to factorise. In fact, I'll give myself a bit more room than I have there. So I'll go over here. So we're then going to factorise out the p to isolate p, as it were. Okay, plus 2p. Alright, actually plus 2, sorry, I should say, equals 7 minus t. Then I'm going to divide. So p equals 7 minus t all over 3t plus 2. Right, so when the subject appears a couple of times in the original expression, you're probably going to have to factorise out to end up with isolating the p here. Alright, you don't want a p in, p equals something involving p when you finish.